Have to get a couple pictures of that, boy. All right, so let's talk a second. What makes them stripes pop? First thing is quality turf, consistent, thick. That way you got something to actually lay over and give you your silver stripe, and something to lay the opposite direction to give you your darker stripe. So turf quality is a big plus. The second thing, probably more important than anything, is going to be the sun. The sun has got to be popping, because if you're facing the sun, you see nothing. If you have very little sun, you see less pronounced. But the sun to your back, you know, mow with your stripes, mow with the sun, stripe with the sun. So that is important. And then the last thing, if you really want the stripes to stand out, you look into a stripe kit. And this big league lawn roller, super simple, easy to install. Man, less than 30 minutes, you can have it on your mower, and it does a phenomenal job. It's got enough weight to do what you need to do. It's built heavy enough to last and take abuse, humps and bumps. I'm sure you could build something yourself, not saying you can't, but time you source the rollers, try to build it, bend it up, just buy it and be done with it. Gotta love this cold. But anyway, let's check out these stripes right quick. Turf is super, and I do mean super thick, consistent, looking really good for this time of year. Especially last week, we had some days, some nights in the 20s. But check out that. Save yourself 10%. TFF10. Save yourself 10%. Get you one of them bad boys and strap on.